Hi Asad, this is Biplavi speaking and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started my work at 9 a.m. in the morning. At first I set my KGC ad and then I open my Gmail account and check out over there video team and the channel also, and check out our mailbox, and then I go to my regular work. That was today remain golden crest rest of the product. Today I also research on FBA. I got some product, but maximum product are the request approval, so I didn't take this. I got some lost some product. I also check the FBM also, and I set the product on my channel. Tomorrow I will check the Amazon remain golden crest product. So this is my research work, and also check out the NMAX bill, but today I am not getting into their site, so I cannot check out all the information over NMAX bill. So this is the work actually of mine. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.